What would you do if you saw a helpless monkey being bullied by a dog? A kind-hearted girl chased the dog away and brought the frightened monkey home to care for it. She treated the monkey like her own pet, feeding it delicious meals and even preparing mixed fruits every day. But first, if you think poodles are adorable, like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, that means you hate poodle. Comment a heart if you love animals. Over time, the bond between the girl and the monkey grew stronger as the monkey clung to her legs, unwilling to let go. As the monkey grew, the girl even bought it a rocking chair for better relaxation. The monkey also became a loyal helper, licking yogurt lids clean and accompanying the girl on her adventures. Now the monkey is her closest companion, their bond unbreakable.